Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off.
What you're about to witness is a typical team meeting with the meeting owl. Meet Jane, who's running the meeting. And here's Morgan, who's attending the meeting from 100 miles away. However, despite the distance, she feels like she's right there in the room with the team, thanks to the meeting owl. A 360-degree conferencing camera that sits in the center of the table and gives your remote folks a more inclusive experience. If you've ever used a webcam before, you know how to use the meeting owl. All Jane has to do is plug in the power and the USB and load up her favorite video conferencing platform. Then, kick off your meeting, and the 360 camera will automatically focus on whoever is talking. You also get a panorama at the top so you can see the whole room. Above all else, you need to be able to hear everybody. And everyone hears Morgan loud and clear through the 360 speaker.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to make it happen.
Great. You want to get us started?
Of course.
If this team were using another camera, Morgan's experience would have been pretty terrible. She wouldn't be able to see whoever's talking, or she might be stuck staring at the back of someone's head. Or it'd even be impossible to figure out what the heck is going on. And we all know meetings crowded around a laptop are the worst. No one wants that. Jane made the right choice. The meeting owl changes everything. And there's something else that makes the meeting owl pretty special. It connects to Wi-Fi. That means you get new features automatically over time, like meeting analytics on your smartphone. The meeting owl helps everyone. Better, more inclusive meetings for all your teammates, both in the office and remote. Meeting owl, because every teammate deserves a seat at the table.
Meet Tile, the quick and simple way to find your things. Tile Mate is designed to hook onto things, like your keys. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, perfect for tight spots like your wallet. Use the app to ring and find your wallet. Or check the map to find your car. You can ring your phone too, even on silent. Join the millions who find peace of mind every day. Tile. Find what matters.
Yeah, move with it. Move with it. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Nah, 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 nah.